Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend coming to you today from the beautiful, sunny Miami, Florida. Guys, since I've been in Florida, I have seen the most beautiful waters I've ever seen anywhere. Miami is beautiful and it's so humid and hot here. The challenge with being in Miami is the driving. People are simply making this stuff up as they go along. They get an idea and bam, they just do it. At any rate, today I'm here to talk to you about what I find challenging about Forex after 10 years of trading. Guys, the thing about Forex is you never get to that point, or I hadn't so far, where I can just relax mentally. Forex is always a mental muse and it is a challenge psychologically. The strategies are pretty simple, but it is the psychological warfare in Forex that makes it hard. Yesterday, I was trading and I got profit this way. I got two profitable trades, and then I got into this mess for like 2 hours. Not only did I lose all of my profit, I ended up yesterday, I'm sorry, at almost break even. And I was down for the day. The reason I was down for the day is because I got into this mess. Just chop, 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 stop out, stop out, stop out. And instead of stepping back from the market, I continued to become more and more frustrated, losing money, chasing trades that just weren't there, trying to beat a market that was unbeatable. Had I been thinking properly, I would have said, "You're in the chop. You're throwing away money. Stop." But I was frustrated. And as a result of frustration, I just ended up throwing a bunch of money away yesterday. And you'd think after all of these years, I wouldn't be doing those silly things. But guys, I must tell you that in order to be a successful trader, you must stay on your game. And the market is constantly evolving. For me, the market is not as easy to trade as it was when I first got started. The strategies or the tricks and the tactics have become much more sophisticated. The wait times are longer, and um, it really is a mental ball game. And now I'm seeing these people coming out with all of these Traders Club and get rich quick. Guys, this stuff is nonsense. This stuff is nonsense. If people were able to do all of that, then they would not be selling you those systems or those clubs. Oh, yeah, I started with $100 and in 7 months or in 3 months, I had $7,000. And people are writing me with this junk, and it's like, no, this is make believe. But you can be successful in the market. As a matter of fact, I was trading this Aussie dollar, and I traded the Aussie dollar exclusively yesterday and today. And this is a very challenging pair for me because it does have so many long wait and choppy periods. So today, what I did, I just dropped down to the 1 minute time frame, and I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame instead. Because as you can see, I hadn't gotten a lot of profit. It's not the pair that just oozes out with profit most of the time. But I figured if I can master trading this pair with discipline, I can trade anything. So, guys, I want to remind you, as you're trading Forex, you have no control over the market or what it does. You are simply here to follow the money. And sometimes before you can find the money, you'll get into the tricky. And not just the trick setup, but the trick of chop and the trick of the long wait times. And most people can't afford to continue in the market all day long. So they end up on the wrong side of the trade or not having a profitable day. For me yesterday, I didn't have a profitable day simply due to stupidity. So, or not being mentally prepared for entering the game and finding myself in the chop and not stepping back and looking at the market. So, guys, I want to tell you, you can absolutely do this. You can be successful in Forex. But the biggest challenge in Forex is the mental warfare. And believe me, it is mental warfare. It's there to trick you out of your money, it's there to make you wait longer times, and it is there to frustrate you. So you give up. Guys, this is the best business in the world. Don't ever give up. But no matter how long you trade, what you will discover is that you have to be mentally prepared for the market. And sometimes you just have to step back, shrink your chart, take a look at what's going on, and realize it's a game that you just cannot win for that day. And guys, staying out of the market is actually a position. Had I taken a day yesterday to walk in the park barefooted or go to the beach, guess what? I would have made much more money. But I ended up just giving stupid money to the market yesterday because I lost it mentally. Guys, I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have an amazing pip filled trading week.